Did you know? More than 80% of the world's wastewater is currently discharged into the environment untreated, causing diseases that kill 842,000 people every year, including about 300,000 children under the age of 5. Safe water and sanitation are fundamental to human health, economic development, peace and security. But what is the solution? Welcome to the power of electrocoagulation. EC has become the best water treatment technology today to remove TSS, heavy metals, oils, bacteria and other contaminants from water. Electrocoagulation is easy to maintain, eco-friendly, and cost-effective, all while removing up to 99% of contaminants at a single equipment costs space and time. This level of effectiveness is possible thanks to TurboCoag's unique single-system design and innovative treatment process. But how does it work? It all starts with inside this remarkable reactor. As water flows through the reactor's cell, multiple reactions take place simultaneously. First, charged electrodes drive metal ions from the anode into the water. On the surface of the cathode, water is hydrolyzed into hydrogen gas and hydroxyl groups. Meanwhile, electrons flow freely to destabilize surface charges on suspended solids and oils. As the reaction continues, large flocks form to entrain suspended solids, heavy metals, emulsified oils, and other contaminants found in the water. After all contaminants have become a non-toxic stable flock or concentrated sludge, they are removed from the water by downstream solid separation and final filtration process steps. The basis of the electrocoagulation process was known since 1908, but was plagued with inefficient power consumption, low longevity, and passivation limitation. Now, thanks to years of research and development, we have solved the issue by eliminating electrode passivation to lower power demands and heighten longevity. Low power demands, simple maintenance, high effectiveness, and the flexibility of TurboCoag are here to help you elevate your wastewater management.